Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. Sorry, my camera's not on. Now it is. Good morning, good morning. Um, I've taken one trade so far, which was a winner. I'll show you guys that trade in a second. All right. In case that detaches itself, which it looks like it is. Mm. Put that out. I don't know what's up with that. Good morning, Apple. Thank you. Good morning, Apple Jacks. I had to take it down because I'm about to wash it today after I'm done doing my nephew's hair, which I'm kind of trying to listen out for. I had to leave the door open for him. So he'll be here in a second. How are you this morning? 87. We're so close to the VWAP. Is he gonna put okay? It pushed through. Would I have gotten fields? Yes. I'm still like, I don't know if I want to break even at levels or not. Oh wait, no, I shouldn't be in that. I forgot it's touching a level. But yeah, I didn't take this because the VWAP is there, which it pushed through anyway. But what I've been trying to do is choose the, like on my cheat sheet, choosing the volume and delta combinations where I shouldn't have to break even at levels. And that was one of them. Like that one fit my criteria just perfect. But that's all right. You're starving. Good morning, Trenches. How are you this morning? Girl, all I did was have my hair in 4 braids for the last week. No, no, because I put them in Sunday. So 4 or 5 days. Take it down. There you go. Good morning, New. How are you this morning? Nice and red over there today. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Everything across the board looks like shit. Ma'am. 70. Um, is the point of control gonna drop or what? Nope. Okay, no, we wait again. I haven't even looked at. Is that still, wait, that might still be a 30-second chart. It is. To show you guys the trade that I took earlier, it was divergence somewhere. It was this sell right here. So lower high to lower low, pushed into the higher high off of the VWAP. Took the nice quick sell, 11-second trade. Can y'all see that pop up? Yes, you can. And that was that. I think the only other valid one was this sale right here. That, like I said, I didn't take because it was so close to VWAP. Looks like yesterday's point of control is there. I think I'm gonna wait and look for the next buy. I still don't know if I'm okay with trading at the day's point of control. I'm not sure yet. I have to see if this order went through. No. Oh, it did. It should be. Did it add to my? No. I understand why. Okay, never mind. Now that it pulled away from the yesterday's point of control, I think I'll look for the sale if it sets up 64. I'm just not gonna set up. I gotta change the opacity or something. Maybe that's what it is. It's so much harder to see. Damn, and I can't. I don't know why, but it's so much harder to see the colors in at each price point in this indicator. I don't understand why. All right, too much volume. Hopes and dreams right now. Hopes and dreams because you won't pay for her breakfast. Now, if you pay for it, then she'll know exactly what she wants. You got to get with the times, dude. Get with the times. All right, I gotta make sure that I catch her when she drops him off because I need his car seat. right, 193. It's gonna stop me out. Yes, no. Like I was resistant right there. A little bit more. All right. I kind of expect the Amelia's gonna laugh at me. I kind of expect the traps to those trades to be a little bit longer. The point of controls in the wick and the buyers are in control of the point of control, which is a genuine trap. Amelia. Just close your eyes and ears real quick. I got my IUD. I wanted to scream. Girl, I've never had one before. I've seen people have them displaced and all kinds of stuff. No thanks. But I also have only been on birth control 1 year of my entire life. So that's also that. I want to see if this pushes through. If it does, I'm going to be so mad. Okay. That was a perfect buy right there as well. Like I said, I don't even know why I'm hesitating to take the ones that are close to a level, because the whole purpose of me choosing these particular combinations was so that I don't have to break even at them. But I'm so used to breaking even at them that I'm just like, no, it's too close. So I set out of 2 more wins and I definitely would have gotten filled. This is what the inside of the buy bar looked like right there. So it hit the current open here, pulled back a little bit, and then pushed straight through. Same thing with the other trade I didn't take. So I should be 4-0 at the moment, which with 2 contracts, it's like 640. Great. I don't know why I'm hesitating. For what? For what? Don't ask me. I don't. Yours was displaced. Ooh. No, forget there was no little apples made. Thankfully, you didn't have it displaced and cause issues. I know a lady who hers was displaced and I forget where it was in her body, but she ended up losing her legs because of it being displaced. Yeah. Where's that other trade I sat out of? Because it was so close. It was here. So that's what you should be grateful for, ma'am. So if I switch this to a 30, I like the 30-second chart a little bit more to show my trades. So you can see like we were in the downtrend. So my sell was like part of a pullback. It was trend divergence on my Renko charts, but you know, time-based chart look a little different, and then that was the sell there. Pretty decent sell-off. Buy that I sat out of was on the way back up, and then the other sell was back here. Somewhere. I drew that a little bit wrong, but all right. Too much volume there. 61. You have legs but no food. Girl. Why are you like this? Jeez Louise. She gonna be late to this thing. I knew she wasn't gonna be on time. She ain't never on time. My cousin and his girlfriend ain't never on time. Zigzag turn to red. Where's my this one? I took a trade on my Tradeify account. I mean TPT account this week, right? I feel like it was Monday. Yes, I did. All right, cool. Just wanted to make sure. Didn't want to lose my account due to inactivity. Too much tofu. I think it's gonna push through. Yep. Know if it was gonna push through yesterday's point of control or not. I'm so Ugh. Just take the damn trade, lady. Just fucking take it. Just fucking take the trade. It's the whole purpose today. Just take them. Just take them. It's okay. crazy. Good morning, Diego. How are you this morning? Just take it. Just take it. Just take it. That's 3 more wins that I set out of today. Just take it. What the hell is wrong with you? I had the little sell click too. I'm like, are you gonna do it? No, you're not. I just took it away for no reason. Not ESU. No, don't stew in, well, stew in anger just a little bit, but you shouldn't, because this would be your first time stewing in anger in a long time. So I feel like I should be cut a little bit of slack, especially because I literally am sitting out because of things that I'm not used to. So it's kind of not my fault. Yeah. Yeah. But kind of not. It's kind of not my fault. Just a little. Slow morning for you. No trades yet. ES is also trash right now. Really? Yeah, I haven't traded ES in so long. This was a nice sell, but that's not part of my setups though. I'm gonna show y'all what the order flow looks like inside of that bar at the top. I mean, it was huge delta and just sell, 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 sell. And the point of controls at the very bottom, it just pushed straight on through everything. That was a huge rejection level. But I don't have, just because of the delta, I didn't have that as part of my setups. So I didn't take it. What? Did that close on that? Yeah. I will say that even though I've only been collecting data for this since, what was that, Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. It's been clustering things together quite well. Actually, better than all the other ways that I've tried to trade this with bid ask. So that's a good thing. Good morning. You're fine. Can you leave his car seat? Because I gotta go to the store to get, I think, some leave-in conditioner first here. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's fine. Okay, yeah, no, 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 that's fine. You're welcome. Love you too. Girl, you know you don't have to ask that, yes. And the door is open already. Okay. Okay, baby. Bye bye. I am nice short trend. The reason it didn't move me now. Applejacks, it should have moved you just a little. Goodness gracious. You're so hard on me. You check YM sometimes, but don't trade it. Yeah, the Dow and honestly, the Russell is pretty decent as well. Like, I used to really, really love the Russell. I did. Stop trading Fridays. Probably about to close the laptop. You don't like the price action? Well, let me see what a 5-minute chart looks like. What, you get caught in some shorts? All right, there's the push through a little bit. Let's see if we can push all the way through the VWAP though. I don't even 46. There's a little volatility kicking in here. I should be in that. We just hit VWAP. I think I'd rather wait. Yeah. I want to. Did we even hit it? No, we did not. The reason why I hesitated to. Oh, actually, I'm glad I did because I wasn't supposed to be in that anyway. I forgot I changed the rules for that. The delta was too high in that bar, actually. All right, now it's on it. What's that? That's a trap, so no. Why am I in caps? Just so I remember that it only touched VWAP like after it would have stopped me out. 63. But yeah, I don't higher high to lower low to higher high. I don't normally, like before, I never would take that. But I used to always feel like I should be able to, because even though the lower low is in the middle, it's still higher highs to higher highs. Good morning, princess. You look so cute.
Look at baby.
I miss you.
Look at my baby.
Hi, my baby. Good morning. I
It's
miss
my
you
baby.
guys. It's your
my
baby. What's your baby's name?
Casey, we got Rosie in there.
And Rosie is in there.
Yeah.
So you take both of your babies everywhere you go? Girl, that's crazy. You a whole mama out here. You want to say hi? You gotta look in the camera. Cohen, is that you? You gonna come say hi to me?
Coco's right here. He's sneaking.
How do you feel? You feel better?
Yeah. So.
Because you was looking a little crazy yesterday. Titi was worried about you. It's so ghetto in here, guys. Everybody said hi. I'm screaming.
We're not going.
You know, your brother is different. What you want to watch on my phone? I know. What do you want to watch? How are you?
She wanted to, I like it.
Thank you.
Baby,
That's
you've
Rosie.
never seen them, you know.
I sure have not seen them. They're
Yeah,
so
that's
cute.
Rosie. We had to order Daisy because
From the
stupid Mick, yeah, gave her. But you can't even tell the way we've been styling her hair, huh? Maybe it'll grow back.
Not the dog hair gonna grow back. I'm weak.
Yeah. All right, you two, let's go. We gotta be on time to the
Hey,
job.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
You gonna give me a hug, little boy? I'm glad you're feeling better. You had TT worried yesterday.
Other foot. Sorry, that's what he just was drinking all the water in. He wasn't sharing. He said, "Well, Daddy said I have to drink a lot of water." Remember? Now you know when you feel well.
Hi, baby.
Come on.
Hi, baby.
Get yourself up on the bed.
Hi, baby.
You got it?
I'm gonna teach you the. All right, I love you. Thank
I
you
love you too.
so much.
You're welcome. Don't forget your cup back there.
Okay,
Bye, baby.
I sure would
Have fun.
Yeah, I filled yours up so you ain't gotta worry about sharing. We were talking to Walmart because I understand me.
Ciao.
But we love you.
Love you too, baby.
We'll call you when we're on our way back.
Y'all good. So y'all, we gotta get back. Have
All right,
fun.
see you later. Yeah, hopefully it's fun. told me it was family day, so I'm thinking like a fire truck or like an ice cream truck, a bounce house. No, we're walking around a warehouse to see what each station does in the warehouse. Okay.
Said teach them early. You got to work hard.
And she called me. She said, no shorts under above your knees in the warehouse allowed. I said, even for you all's guests. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, oh my goodness, that's pretty.
See you later, baby.
Good morning, Mama. Mora. Mama.
Okay, sorry guys, it's a little chaotic when they first get here. I'm gonna look to take a buy. Oh my god, my nephew. Oh, How to the Future Market Wizard. Yes. Kids we don't have any small kids. We got 20-year-olds now. Baby, I think we have a couple of other small kids in our family. Really, everybody's kind of waiting on me and my sister to have some, but every time I think about it, it's just like, do I really want to? I do, though, for real, but I know my niece, they just saw my mom. My mom was in the room. She just got so excited seeing my grandma and my mom. They get so excited when they see us, and it just makes me feel so good. It just shows how loved they are. All right. I'm waiting on a buy. Actually, I thought the buy was gonna happen here. It would have been a pretty nice setup, actually. My mom, if you got twins. Let's see. I don't know. It's looking a little heavy. Delta's still negative. Shy, his booster's in there, right? Who the buck? Did your mommy bring your booster seat in? You don't remember? She did? Okay.
Yes, Amber, did you say my name?
No, I said you brought the booster in, right?
Oh, I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're welcome. All right. Oh, that changed. Changed to a trap. I wanted a continuation. You didn't want to go to school today? You want to hang out with TT instead? Yeah. My little schnookums. Let's see. Oh, I still got like almost, 20 minutes. It's not bad. Today has actually been a pretty decent session, honestly. Let's see. So we're heavy on the upside. Now I hope you, Applejacks, why, ma'am? Just why? Just why? No, they are very precious. Listen, I love those babies down, okay? And do. All right, too much volume. By the time this is gonna reverse, if it doesn't look like it's going to. Yeah, I didn't have any, probably not any data at all for that buy. Try to push through. Now my niece wanted to stay here instead of going on a little field trip. I'm listening to her now. No, ma'am. Go on your field trip. I'm gonna take this sell. No, I'm not. Change to a trap. $764. Zigzag changed colors, which I don't like. It's gonna lose. Now see, now when I start losing, I'm gonna be pissed because the trades that I haven't taken would have like covered my losses, you know what I mean? So that's pretty annoying. And I almost guarantee you. Yeah, I'm just gonna piss myself off because I haven't been taking the trades that I should have been taking. Well, it stopped me out to go exactly where I wanted it to go. That sucks. How wonderful. 44. That sucks ass. But it's my fault. I sat out of what, 3 other trades or something like that. All right, let me see. Didn't let my let me feel. Amelia, why was you hesitating? I feel your pain. I've been hesitating today myself. So I got stopped out by, let's see, 3. So it went like 4 ticks beyond where I want to see it go. Man, that sucks. All right. That's the only thing that I hate when I sit out of trades. Like, you could have covered yourself, ma'am. Especially right now. Like, I'm in the evals. Just take the trades. Who cares? It's so stupid because I've been taking the trades all week, and now I'm like hesitating. Probably because I was up 2 trades already, you know? I'm going to control that to open. Or Too much volume now. Bit. Good morning, Fred. How are you this morning? Oh, Trump speaking? I had no idea. Sucking terrorists again. Didn't want to get caught in that. I got you. You know who? Not he could get your ass. Yeah, I didn't even know he was speaking. What is the? That's not a good sign. The zigzag's not attached. Scrolling weird bits up and down. So I said, no, I got you. I got you. Yeah, I had no idea. It's not on Forex Factory or Financial Juice. I don't be knowing when that man speak, to be honest with you, unless it's already scheduled or something. I be having no idea. But yeah, honestly, you guys, I think today is kind of really making me a believer in up down tick. I'm not gonna lie. Like to basically have the first five or so trades, 5 or 6 trades, all winners, and then just lose this one on some, which still went straight to my target. Now, obviously, I still have to count this as a loss because I don't want to increase my stop loss. And when I just looked, I only had one example so far of this particular volume pattern of the swings and this volume and delta pattern coming off of a level or whatever. So because I only had one example, I just went ahead and, wrote that as a rule because until I get more examples, you just got to go off of what you have so far. But that's not a bad day. 5-1 is not a bad day at all. But I think it's making me a believer. And like I said, after I kind of like went off on ChatGPT a little bit, once it started to like explain why up down tick makes so much sense for Renko's, I'm like, yeah, I think we might stick to this. I really didn't give it enough of a chance the first time, which is weird because I was having such good results. Like, why wouldn't I? I don't know. But I'm gonna stick with this for at least 2 weeks. Like, give it a really good chance. Um, yeah. Yes, I am. All right, so for this trade to be good, I need the point of control to move down. It's in the wick right now. We haven't really traded in the body of the candle yet. We might just keep pushing up. You gonna go to the store with TT or you gonna stay here? Go to the store, okay. So I have to score news feed up. Oh, you got caught by him. You only got to get it caught one time. One time. I have to move to the body. Point of control is still too high, and the delta keeps going negative and positive. But the point of control is too high regardless for this particular delta pattern. So I'll just wait for the pullback. Under control is not going to move. It would actually take quite a bit for it to. We have to stall here for a nice little minute. All right. What a push. Didn't follow my rules yet, though. Unfortunately. What a push. Probably don't even have any examples of that yet. All right. Let's see if I can fix that. I get that baby some candy and not. He won't be bouncing off my goddamn walls. And ChatGPT has an uprising. It might, because I done called it all kind of shit. Listen, not that we be ChatGPT. You know what? I will be mean to ChatGPT because ChatGPT has spent all this time trying to tell me that I was wrong. Every time I kept saying something about up down tick, it kept trying to tell me I was wrong. All right. So really, it is its fault. I don't know about this double bottom. Oh well, point of control just changed again. Never mind. I was gonna take the trade anyway because I already pissed myself off enough sitting out of wins. But point of control changed anyways. There's a trap. I wasn't looking for a trap. Zigzag just changed immediately. All right, I hear financial juice talking. What the hell? Excuse me. It's like as soon as I started hearing him talk, the market just went chew. I don't know I want to be in that. Fuck, I missed it. I tried to get in it at the last second. I had to look down. And I don't understand why this chart looks like that. I tried. Just missed it. I'm gonna lose. I'm not gonna break even. I'm not gonna break even. I'm gonna let it go. I should break even. I'm gonna let it go. I'm not gonna break even though. If we don't push through, we don't push through. But I'm trying to. Oh my God, don't piss me off. I'm just gonna lose. No. Trying to keep myself from breaking even like I normally do, but this is gonna be the one time it doesn't push through the freaking level. Yep. Nope. Yep. Started off green, end up break even. Come on, push back down, please. It's gonna go up. If I was in PAs, I would just have broken even when it came back down here, but I'm gonna follow the rule of not breaking even. Push down. Oh my God. Please. Sellers are trying so hard. Just stop me out. Jesus Christ. I would have been broken even if I was on a PA. Like, then did it. I had like 3 or 4 opportunities. It came one tick from stopping me out. If this trade wins, oh my goodness. But I won't be mad if I get stopped out. Have to create new habits according to data that I have. Uh-oh. Wait a minute now. I was about to say I'm supposed to be out of that trade. What the hell? Look at me sitting through that shit. I will not break even. 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 That's what was going through my mind this whole time. You're trying kickboxing next week? Girl, but you've been working out and stuff, right? I was about to say, if you ain't been working out in a while, you go straight to kickboxing, honey. Look at the volume on the day. 168. It's about normal. Well, yeah, that's about normal, right? Maybe, I know like one of the days earlier this week, we were over 200,000. I actually write down the volume every day, like what the volume is at the time that I get off the charts. Monday it was 165. Tuesday it was 270. Wednesday was 208. Oh shit, I didn't write yesterday. I will have to go back to yesterday's stream and look. Thank you, thank you. I sat through it. So Apple Jackson, no stewing for you. That's what I'm supposed to do. I definitely will burn a lot of calories. Absolutely. If we're about to be in the same class, I'm weak. Oh my God, I was in that trade for 3 minutes. Y'all know I don't like that. I don't. it wasn't a trap either, but at the same time, we had to try to push through support right there. So, but goodness gracious. The only thing I'm mad at with myself is not taking those other 3 trades. That's it. Because 3 more trades at 2 contracts is another $500. So I'd be up $800 today, right? I don't even know what I'm up right now. Yeah, I would be up $800 today, which is amazing considering my struggle with this damn bid ask. Yeah. So that means I'm going to be maxing contracts every trade on Monday, since that's the last trading session before the renewal Tuesday. And because this is an account that doesn't have an activation fee, I'm definitely going to try to push it, even if that means I have to trade a little bit beyond my normal session. But let's see, 3, 6, so 5 times 5 times 5. That's like $2,000. If I would have taken every trade today, even with that loss, then I would be up $2,000 today if I maxed out the contracts. I just didn't want to max it knowing that I had another session just in case today did not go that well. But yeah, maxing contracts Monday. For sure. Oh, you were saying the volume's low? Yeah, compared to the rest of the week, for sure. But at one point in time, we were lucky to have 100 and really over 175. Anything over 175 by 9:45 in the morning was like great for a while. Mhm. Uh-oh. But yeah. I'm pretty sure that's the end of my session. I got 45 seconds left. I'm gonna hang it up, Buttercup. I gotta go to the store, get some stuff for his hair, my hair. Still have time to, probably gonna journal first though. That way I can close my charts and just be done. Look, this is, oh, y'all can't even see him. This is all he do here in my house. Usually he'll be like, TT, can we change the lights? We change the lights to whatever his little color is for the day, his little ambiance, and that's that. You swear them 3 minutes was 3 years the way he was talking. Apple Jacks, it was. Because, oh, let me see that. Oh, it turned off. Because when you used to trading with momentum, it's like 3 minutes, baby. I'm not on the right side. But yeah, overall good day. Wait, I believe I took 4 trades, won 3, lost 1, and missed a ton for no reason other than, well, I wouldn't say no reason. I'm just used to breaking even at levels like I wanted to in that 3-minute trade. And all the trades that I sat out of, it was just close to, like, the close of the bar was pretty close to a level, so I didn't want to chance it, but I should have, because what's the purpose? But yeah, baby, that's him all day. Sometimes when he come in the house, it could be 10 people in the front of the house. He gonna run past everybody, come give me a hug, take his shoes off, get straight in the bed. TT, can I have your phone? But that's my baby. You was in your trade yesterday for 21 minutes, girl. I would have talked myself out of. See, that's another reason why I wanted to master scalping. Number one, because I always felt like the longer I'm in a trade, the more exposed I am to the market, the more the market can just do something against me, whether it was news or whatever. you know, unplanned news or whatever, but also just like when you're super over analytical, you can, the longer you're in a trade, you're just going to like, if I was in a trade for 21 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly what I would be doing. I would be like, all right, I'll open up a time-based chart, go look at that, look at structure, like, I don't know. And then I'll go look to the left and do some other stuff. And listen, baby, I will scroll all the way back as far as my chart can go. And if anything on that chart would show me anything to say I was in on the wrong side, I'd get out. That's why I can't intraday swing trade anymore. Now the way that I used to, oh, I did not mean to do that. The way I used to intraday swing trade that I actually liked, sorry, my charts are frozen. I accidentally changed that time-based chart to a 1 second chart instead of 1 minute. But the way I used to do it when I traded Renkos and I just traded divergence, I always had a scalper and a runner. So my scalper would be like, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 points. Probably, I feel like it was 10 points, which is not a scalp now that I think about it, but back then it was. I'm pretty sure I went for 10 points. And then the runner would just go until there was some kind of reversal bar. So I had my ATM set up to where it would just trail the close of a reversal bar. But it was like my scalper would hit so quickly, I didn't really care what happened after that because once the scalper hit, TP, my stop loss will move to break even, and it's like shit, whatever happens in the trade now, it really doesn't matter. And that was the only way that I could intraday swing trade without like over analyzing my way out of a trade. I'm exhausting traders. Oh, I got you. I got you. Yeah. Now see, if I'm in a trade for 21 minutes, but like I'm in profit, oh, it's fine. But if it's like this, I'm gonna talk my way out of it. Is it the low of the day? So no drawdown. Yeah. See the no drawdown trades, it's like, all right, I'm on the right side. Whatever you do, you do. Take me as high as you want to. But I mean like $100 or so. Yeah, that's not bad at all. At all. But yeah, I'm happy with today. I'm actually honestly really happy with my progress from starting this Tuesday with literally like basically no data because I knew that I couldn't convert anything from any other day since it's not the same historical as it is in real time. I will say that the newer order flow indicator is kind of almost on par with real-time data and historical data, but it's still not exactly the same like it is bid ask. So I don't even want to waste time gathering data that I know could be wrong. So I'm okay with taking the time every day to journal what happens in real time and kind of go from there. But I'm happy with my progress. Like I said, I'm going to keep doing this for at least 2 weeks before I make a decision, but I'm 99% sure this is what I'm going to stick with. I already seen the progress the first time I did it in May, and I really like the way that I'm analyzing the market pre-entry now versus when I was using bid ask up down tick back in May. That's really the biggest difference. And I think in the long run, it's going to help me because like with me, essentially when I'm looking, where is my freaking marker here? So like when I'm looking for the entry bar and I'm comparing it to the highest, like let's just go here. So I'm comparing it to the highest volume bar. So the volume of this entry bar is less than the highest bar in the swing. I do that because wherever the highest volume is in the swing is kind of where absorption basically is. Like that's where the buyers and sellers battled the most. So I need to know where I might have to fight against absorption. And then, I look at the table. I only look at the table right now because I'm using the second indicator and not this first order flow indicator that's actually on the bars because I'm still trying to compare to see which one is more accurate. But then I compare it to the highest delta in the swing because I want to know like how aggressive was the buyers pushing up, because I need to know how aggressive the sellers need to be to push back down. So the last time I was trading up down tick, I'm pretty sure the only thing I did was look at the highest volume bar and try to beat just that out. but that doesn't work because if you look, the delta of the highest volume bar is actually negative, but then you have a positive 26 delta. I got to make sure I beat that out, not the negative delta that's here, if that makes sense. So I think that that's going to work out better for me long term. But we'll see. I'll be back at it on Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Yeah, I think that's all I have. Apex is 90% off for those that are interested until Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. That's just that. So thank you guys for tuning in. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning at 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day, your weekend, your week. Be safe, and I'll see you guys Monday. Bye.